Hello, Team 6-1 Social Studies students. This is Mr. Bush, and this is a screencast with information from today, which is Tuesday, January 5th, and for tomorrow, Wednesday, January 6th. Today, during our live Google Meet session, the first thing that we did was we went back into Monday's folder for this week. We took a look at the video entitled Ancient Indus Valley Achievements. So when students open that up, it should open up in a pop-out that looks like this.
Civilizations in the ancient world grew up along great rivers. Why do you suppose that was true? Well, most people at that time still lived by farming and herding.
So students will finish watching that video, and they will answer the discussion question from Monday. And again, this was a review, but just as a review very quickly, the question asks, why do we know less about the ancient Indus Valley civilization than other civilizations like Egypt and Mesopotamia? Make sure you're answering in a complete sentence. And there are many students that have gone on to answer, but just wanted to make sure that everybody was on the same page to review that question. After we got done with that, we went into today's folder, which is the Tuesday 1-5 folder, January 5th, and the students opened up the Indus Valley Civilization Reading Guide. So when students made their version of the document, it looked like this. What we did was, together, we answered the first 5 questions up through this question together. Students volunteering actually got some bonus points for today once they turned their assignment in by the end of the week. And things went pretty well. So students were assigned to continue to work on this reading guide Tuesday, which is today, Wednesday, tomorrow, which is the 6th, and then I told them that we would start class on Thursday, the 7th, with any questions that they might have finishing up this reading guide. So students were told to continue to work on this reading guide, and then on Thursday we will review it. On Thursday we will also talk about the YouTube video that is the final assignment for the week that has some multiple choice questions. So if you have any questions about the reading guide as you continue to work on it on Wednesday, please let me know via email, and I will talk to everybody on Thursday. Bye, everybody.